Good morning, children. Today we shall start exercise 10.3. Okay. See the first question. First question is 1 whole 1 by 2 into 4. Okay, you have to multiply. Question is to multiply. So how to multiply one fraction with the other fraction or one fraction with a non-fractional number. Okay. So first of all, the step is it's a mixed fraction. First one is mixed fraction. First of all, mixed fraction will be converted into improper fraction. Okay. So how to convert into mixed fraction? You know very well. 2 ones are 2 and plus 1 is 3. So it will be 3 by 2 multiplied by 4. See here, every time numerator will be multiplied with the numerator and denominator will be multiplied with the denominator. Remember that. Here no denominator means you can write 1 is there. Okay. So 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12 and 2 1s are 2. Okay. So this is the division sign. Okay, this is actually a division sign. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 6 will be the answer. Always multiply means multiply with the numerator. So when there is a integer, a whole number, okay, when there is no fraction, single number is there, remember that will be multiplied with the numerator only. Okay, multiplied with the numerator, not with the denominator. Okay, remember that, not with the denominator. Every time we shall multiply with the numerator only. Okay, now see. Next question, see question number 2. Here it is 7 by 9 of 3 by 14. 7 by 9 of 3 by 14. 7 by 9 of 3 by 14. Of means what? Of means multiply. Try to understand this. Try to remember this. Of means multiply. Of means multiply. Multiplication sign. So 7 by 9 into 3 by 14. Okay. You can cancel it. Okay. Now at this stage you should know how to cancel one number to the other number with the other number. Many a time I have discussed how to cancel the number. We have to divide both the numbers with the same number, with a common number. Okay. For example, suppose 7 and 14. How to cancel 7 and 14? 7 and 14, both the numbers will be divisible by 7. This is in the table of 7, this is also in the table of 7. So both the numbers will be divisible by 7. There is 7, 1 is 7. If you divide 7 by 7, what will be the result? 1. So 7 divided by 7 is 1 and 14 divided by 7 is 2. Okay. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. What will be the result? 1 in multiply numerator with numerator, there is 1 and 3 2s are 6. Okay. This is 1 by 6 will be the answer. Okay. Now one more question is also. See question number. Pause the video to note it down. The fan is sounding much. I'm switching off the fan. Okay. That's okay. And it was sounding much. Now next question I'm going to solve is question number for what? Question number 5. Okay, let me solve question number 5. Question number 5. 5 by 12. Question is 5 by 12 into 2 whole 1 by 4. 2 whole 1 by 4 into 1 whole 1 by 5. 1 whole 1 by 5. So here it is 5 by 12 into 2 4 is 8 plus 1 9 by 4 into 5 1 is 5 plus 1 6 by 5. Now 5 5 cancel. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. It will be 9 by 8. Okay, 9 by 8 means what? 1 whole number 1 by 8. This this much. Okay, now the similar question, any question? Okay, all the questions are same, but one power is given here. See, question number 7. 7 also I should solve because a different type of question is there. 2 by 5 of 1 whole number 1 by 4 whole to the power 2. Okay. It is given in the book, but see, this is the power or indices. Okay, in higher classes we'll read this, or we'll read about this or study about this. This is called base, this is called exponent. Okay, this is not in the syllabus, but in the question, in the last question it is given the power. Power means what? Try to understand, very simple. Suppose 3 to the power 2 means 3 into 3, 2 times you have to write. Okay, 3 to the power 4 means 4 times 3 multiplied. Okay, 3 into 3 into 3. This is the meaning of that. Okay, nothing else. Now see, 2 by 5 of means into. Here we break the mixed fraction. 4 1 is 4 plus 1 5. 5 by 4 whole to the power 2. 2 by 5 into 5 by 4 means 5 by 4 into 5 by 4. Okay, 1 5 will be cancelled. Okay, for 2 are there, that's why I have written 2 times 5 by 4, 5 by 4. Now 1 5 will be cancelled. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now the numbers are left with the numerator is 5 and the numbers left with the denominator 4 into 2. 4 into 2 is 8. So 5 by 8 should be the answer. Okay. Now children, go to that next exercise. Okay, 10.4. Here we have to go a little bit faster because examination will be taken. Okay. So I'm trying to finish at least 2 chapters. This one, chapter 9 and chapter 10. Okay. Let us do this exercise 10.4. Okay. Now, deposit to note down. Yes, now see question exercise 10.4. Exercise 10.4. See here, simplify. How to simplify? Simplify means according to sign we have to go. Simplify means according to sign you have to go. If multiplication is there, we shall multiply. If division is there, we shall divide. Okay. If addition is there, addition, subtraction is there. Subtraction. Simplify means everything is included. Okay. According to sign, we have to go. Here, question number 1. Question is 2 by 3 divided by 6. Okay. How to divide? Try to understand this. Divide means what? 2 by 3. This is 6. So 6 can be written as 6 by 1. And when there is a fraction to the right side, this fraction will be inverted and this division sign will convert it into multiply sign. Try to understand this. Here it was 6 by 1, it will be 1 by 6. Okay. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, it will be 1 by 9. Okay. Very simple. Same question. So question number 3. 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. Okay. What will be the answer? 1 by 8 into 4 by 1. Remember that this side's fraction will not be changed. This side's fraction, then fraction to the right side will be inverted or reciprocal of that number. This is called reciprocal. 1 by 4. Reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 and reciprocal of 4 is 1 by 4. So reciprocal will be done to the number which is written to the right side. Okay, which is the divisor actually. Reciprocal of that number will be done. Remember that. So 1 by 8 will remain as it is, 1 by 8, and 1 by 4 will be inverted, that is 4 by 1. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Now see question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5. Okay. Question number 5 is 2 whole 1 by 2, 2 whole number 1 by 2 of 3 whole number 1 by 2 divided by 1 whole number 1 by 4. Yes. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. Of means into, I have told earlier, 2 3 is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2, and divided by 4 1 is 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. So first of all, what I have done, mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. Now do the next thing. Here you have to follow this rule also. Okay, Bodmas rule, BODMAS. B means what? Bracket. Remember that. Bracket. O means off. D means divide. M means multiply. A means addition or add. And this means subtraction or subtract. Okay. You have to go according to this. Means if bracket is there, we'll do the operation of bracket, then off, or multiply. Off means multiply. Okay, off is written, we'll directly multiply, and then divide, then multiply, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, you may be confused that off means multiply, and here one more multiply is there, but when off is there, preference of multiplication will be given to this at first, after that division. Okay, and then multiplication, the simple multiplication cross sign will be given, that multiplication will be done later on. Okay, first of all this multiplication will be done. We'll do the off means we'll do the multiplication, but this multiplication will be done at first, then this multiplication. Okay, don't forget this. So 5 by 2, 7 by 2 divided by 5 by 4. Here division sign is there, so divide sign of division will be preferred. Okay, then multiplication. So division means what? 5 by 2 into 7 by 2. This division will be multiplied and will become 4 by 5. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 2 cancelled, 5 5 cancelled. What will be the answer? In the numerator only 7 and denominator nothing is there, so 7 answer. Okay. Now you will pause the video to note it down every time. Okay, I will not repeat again and again. See this sign, question number 9. This is 9 by 16 divided by 3 by 8. This is the division sign. Okay, 9 by 16, and this is actually division sign. Okay, this is division sign. So if you confuse, write like this: 9 by 16 divided by 3 by 8, and then simple 9 by 16. Now you have recognized the question how to do. 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 3 by 2, or in a mixed fraction it will be 1 whole 1 by 2. This will be the answer. Okay. Here the use of bracket. Next question. Yes, I am trying to solve one more exercise. So that. Now see exercise 10.5. Simplify. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 into 1 by 2. Okay, here we use that Bodmas rule. Multiply. Here multiply and additions are there. So multiplication will be done at first, then addition. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 to the 12. Then take the LCM 12. Okay, 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 into 1 4. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5 by 12. 5 by 12 is the answer. Okay. Now see question number 5. 1 by 2 of 4 whole 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3 of 6 whole 4 by 6. So here a bracket is there. So we'll do the operation of bracket at first. Okay, I have broken that mixed fraction into improper fraction. 1 by 2 of 14 by 3, 1 by 3 of 40 by 6. Take the LCM. LCM of 3 and 3 will be 3. Okay, same rule. Divide with the denominator, multiply with the numerator. So it will be 14 minus 1 by 3. Then 14 minus 1 is 13 by 3. Okay, these things are written as it is. Okay. Now after this 1 by 2 of means into 13 by 3 into 40 by 6 of means into here. Okay, now cancel 2 20s are 40, then 3 6 are 3 2s are 6 and 10 2s are 20. Okay, multiply all the numerators together, it will be 130 and denominators 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, divide 130 divided by 9, it will be 14 whole 4 by 9. Okay. Now see one more question. Question number 9. Here is a very simple question. 0 divided by 3 by 5. Okay. So anything divided by 0 divided by anything will be 0. But according to the operation will do like this. 0 divided by 3 by 2. So 0 multiplied by 5 by 3. So 0 into 5 is equal to 0 divided by 3. It will be easier for you to understand. So 0 divided by anything is 0. So 0 will be the answer. Exercise 10.6. Okay, word problems. Question is 24 by 25 kg of chocolates is divided equally among 6 girls. How much will each girl get? Okay. Amount of chocolate is 24 by 25 kg is divided into 6. Okay, here 6. I have written 6 means 6 by 1. Okay. So equal to 6, 24 by 25 multiplied by 1 6. This division sign will be converted into multiplication sign. Okay. Now 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24. With the numerator will be 4 and here it will be 25 kg. Okay. Now see question number 4. Question number 4 is 3 by 8 of a boy's pocket money is 12. How much does he get? Okay. So 3 by, let the pocket money be anything, x, y, z. Okay. What was the total pocket money? So 3 by 8 of pocket money. Okay, I am writing pocket money here. Pocket money. Okay. Pocket money is equal to 12. Okay, you can use here x also, but algebra is not introduced in this class. So that's why I am not using x. So 3 by 8 of pocket money is equal to 12. So 3 by 8 of means what? Into pocket money is equal to 12. So 3, this 8 will be, here it is multiplied. When it will go that side, it will be divided. Okay. So pocket money, what was earlier? Pocket money will be equal to 12. Here it is multiplied, that side it will be divided. Okay, divided by 3 by 8 means what? 12 multiplied by 8 by 3. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 4 8s are 32. Okay, so total pocket money will be rupees 32. This is the answer. Okay, thank you children, thank you very much.